everyone, welcome back to Sanela Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Smoke and Mirrors from the 5th to the 9th of January 2026 on Monday. Pile is ahead by Gaisa's growing closeness to Martha while team spirited despite Tiny's care. As doubt creeps in, Zakile stand firm and vow to keep fighting Jason on Tuesday. Zakile finds new hope when evidence exposing Jason corruption land in his hands. Martha materializes him, worries Pidile and Fanyana. While team is moved by an intervention from Leroy, Tiny and Mamiki. On Wednesday, Jason reels as report exposes corruption and his position is threatened. Martha parenting alarms Pidile and Fanyana, while team finds comfort with Tiny and workers fear for their jobs on Thursday. Jason trembles after the corruption exposed as the community rallies behind Zakile. Tension erupts when team confront Tiny, sparking a heated clash with Petunia that turns violent on Friday. As hope rises for Jason's downfall, an anti-corruption investigator closes in while Nguga offers a lifeline. Martha spoils Kaise, defying Petunia as effort to end the feud fade. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Hello everyone, welcome back.